Hello friends, I am Jijo here. I am a travel blogger. Today I came to Aluva. This is the Shivaratri day, and Aluva is an outskirt of Ernakulam town, Cochin city. It's in the banks of the Periyar river, and today is the Beli Arpanam the day. That means we pay homage to the departed souls. People come from all over Kerala here to offer prayers to their parents who already died. It's a Beli Arpanam. It's on the banks of Periyar river. This is the place. This is Aluva Mahadeva temple. This is Shiva temple here. This area is well maintained. This is Aluva Sri Mahadeva Kshetra.